Pavinno. This is an Italian luxury car. Oh wait, no, this one's a vape. Anyways, we're talking about the Pavinno Puro. It's a 2-in-1 device that just puts out all day long, and it's freaking amazing.
Yep.
There's 2 pods that it comes with.
Dose.
One's a 0.8 ohm and one's a 0.2 ohm. Yeah. You can figure out which is which, and then you fill them up with juice, go to rip, and it's so easy.
Just literally a click and click. Mm-hmm. It's that easy.
Yeah, straight up.
This thing is, I fucking love this thing.
So you might be wondering, this is a regular mod, right? So how would I adjust its power?
Ha! There's an app for that.
There's an app for that.
That shit, bro.
Yeah.
Holy
so
shit.
with this, you freaking just put in a pod, whichever one you want. It knows which one's in there. And
you know how you connect that shit?
What you do? See, now it's connected.
Dude, it's a vapor's dream right there.
It's pretty goofy. It tells you how many cigarettes you've smoked in a day.
Yeah.
Which is pretty sweet.
Like how many total puffs you've had. Mm-hmm. It gives you all the info. You can watch your hit duration and shit live in person as you hit it. Adjust your wattage, all that shit.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. So now, what is the hit like?
Smooth as hell.
That's right. Like with the Orion, we were talking about a premium device. It hits you hard and it hits you fast, and it's But this thing is smooth as fuck, dude. It's like a Mercedes Benz.
Yeah, it's like completely different. It's hard to compare the two because they're so different.
One's like a sports car, and the other is like riding around in like a Rolls Royce. You know, 2 very different experiences, but both are crazy. Like this thing is amazing.
You know what? Just the leather. This exterior here is so nice.
It is nuts.
This thing feels, it's solid. There's no moving parts. No button.
I fucking love it.
No fucking button.
Dude, that's the worst thing about all these new pod systems.
Yeah, I feel like everything sub the S8 for our last 10 devices have been button devices, and it's been pissing me off, dude. It's been grinding my gears. I'm getting I'm getting depressed over this whole button shit, dude.
Anyways, this device is amazing. It's really great. I love it.
It's really great. So it's got a huge battery also.
1,450 milliamp hours. Will last you all day if you're like hitting the Saltnik. And if you're ripping it at 50 watts, you'll probably have to try it once. Like if you're ripping the regular neck.
Yeah, but that's the biggest.
That's the thing. This
battery
thing's versatile as hell.
It's ridiculous.
So now, how does this stack up to the Orion, Nathan?
They're gonna find that out on Friday. I ain't gonna say a peep. My lips are sealed until then.
I guess you have to watch then. I'm sorry. So
I'm not trying to spoil anything.
Yeah, this thing though, I mean, with the leather wrap, it's brown, and you can get it in 2 colors. Same color leather, but the metal is a different shade, shinier. It's it's a nice device.
It's very nice. I have one complaint. I don't like the charger. I don't like it that much.
I mean, it looks cool when you got it on there.
It's all well and good, but I think instead of they have 2 little things to match this. I think they should try a little ring. So then no matter the thing is, you have to have it at the specific angle so that it's not that hard.
But it does also have like kind of magnets, so it kind of helps you out a little bit.
Yeah, but it kind of like leans.
It's pretty shitty.
Yeah, compared to the device itself, that whole experience is a little bit less than the rest. But
this thing is sweet, dude. I mean, it's sweet.
Yeah, it's so sweet.
So if you're interested in this device, link is down in the description for the best price we could find. It's like what, $50?
Yeah, it's right around $50.
Right around $50 for this amazing device, which I love it. And thank you for going to our website because it is awesome. We love helping you out, and you're fucking helping us out, and it's a great little happiness we got going on, and I love it. So
it's like hitting the Pavinno Puro, dude.
It's smooth and it's sweet and it's satisfying. But keep going there if you have any questions, because one of us will hit you back personally. And if you're interested in joining the newsletter, hit that yes, and we will sign you up. Get the greatest vape details, vape news, and vape deals.
Also, guys, while you're here, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and comment some shit. You know what?
Comment something like why.
Comment
like should Nate trim his nose hair?
Oh, Nate trimmed that shit. Comment Rolls Royce if you made it to the end of the video.
Actually, do that.
Confuse everybody else. Yeah. Just be like Rolls Royce. But Thanks for watching, guys.
Peace out.
Till next time.
Till next time.
Peace out.